Two leaders of a Northern Virginia town appeared in court today on multiple felony charges. Purcellville is a small town in Loudoun County. The town's vice mayor is facing 6 felony charges, and the town manager is facing 2 felonies.
Northern Virginia Bureau reporter Drew Wilder was in court today and has more on this developing story.
Mr. Frazier, you want to make a comment?
Purcellville's town manager walks out of the Loudoun County Courthouse having just been served 2 felony indictments. Kwesi Frazier was placed on paid administrative leave during a special town council meeting on Friday because he's accused of rigged government bidding and fraud. Charlie King is Frazier's defense attorney.
Because my client was charged by a direct indictment, I really don't know a lot about the case and won't know a lot about the case until I get discovery from Mr. Olson.
Mr. Olson is Eric Olson, the Commonwealth's attorney from Stafford County, who was appointed to prosecute this case, which started when Attorney General Jason Miyares ordered Virginia State Police to investigate alleged corruption among Purcellville town officials. In addition to Frazier, Purcellville's Vice Mayor Ben Nett was charged with 6 felonies. 2 are similar to Frazier's charges. 4 others are for allegedly using a police crime database to research his political opponents. Following his arrest last week, Vice Mayor Nett issued a lengthy statement in which he claims he is, quote, being politically targeted by a weaponized law enforcement apparatus, part of a broader effort to overturn the results of the most recent election. Prior to being elected, Nett was a Purcellville police officer. He's accused of meeting with a consultant for the purpose of swaying that consultant to name him chief of police. When that did not happen, some members of council started discussions to eliminate the entire police department. At today's hearing, former Republican State Senator Dick Black was there in support of Nett and Frazier. And for the first time, Black said Frazier and Loudoun County Sheriff Mike Chapman had a private meeting about eliminating Purcellville's police department.
And there was a meeting held with Sheriff Chapman in my home with Kwesi. And the purpose was to say, look, there is this discussion, this idea is under discussion. There's no decision made, but Kwesi, as the town manager, said, if it should come to this, is this something that the sheriff's department could do?
Black says he can't remember the date of that meeting. When Purcellville's town council was publicly considering eliminating the police department, Sheriff Chapman is on the record in April saying no one had formally asked him if the sheriff's office could cover the town. News 4 reached out to the sheriff's office today to ask about this private meeting with the town manager, and a department spokesperson said because this situation is under investigation, the department could not comment. Reporting in Loudoun County, Drew Wilder, News 4.
By the way, Purcellville's vice mayor and town manager are both due back in court September 4th.